If you're seeing this December 10th, it's your lucky day because this is a reading for you, your free little reading. So take a deep breath in because you're going to hear something that's going to pack a punch from your spirit guides that I'm going to be channeling. Okay, so the first thing that I'm hearing is that you think it's too late. You're wondering if, like, is it too late? Did I miss out on this? And Spirit's saying, no, that's not the case. It's not too late. Okay, so I just pulled the deck. We have the Knight of Wands, but it's in the reverse. Knights are about energy coming in. Wands are about manifestation. It's also about fire energy. So this could be zodiac signs as well. So talking Aries, Sagittarius, Leo. But with it being in the reverse, it's like, is it too late for this thing to come into my life? And Knights are about energy coming in, right? But it's in the reverse. So it's like, you want it to come in, it's there, you can see it, but it's not coming in. And so you're like, did I screw it up? Did I lose out on my opportunity, on my chance? And Spirit's saying you actually did not lose out on anything. So let's find out what you have to do to bring in this thing that you're wanting, okay? Because I feel like it's important to you. Otherwise, you wouldn't still be here listening to this reading. So let's pull some cards. We have some coming out. We have the Hangman in the reverse. You do not want to wait any longer. You've been patient. You have been waiting. You're like, don't tell me to wait. Don't tell me to wait. I need like some real action to take here because I'm sick. I'm like losing sleep over this. I feel like you're talking to everyone about it. You're asking friends. You are Googling it. You're just, it's probably all over your algorithm. Okay, we have the Queen of Cups that came out, okay? And so it just makes me feel like the reason you want this is because there's so much emotion tied to this thing that you're wanting. So it's hard to accept that it might be something that you've lost because it means a lot to you emotionally, okay? So, but here's the thing though. I think that you need to listen to your spirit guides. I think it's very symbolic that this angel, the Queen of Cups, has the bird flying above her because that makes me feel like your spirit guides are above you. They know everything. They have the bird's eye view of your life, right? We only have the view of the road that we're on, but from up here, you can see the whole entire maze. You can see how to get out. You can see how to get to where you're wanting to go. But your spirit guides, listen, people are thinking spirit guides talk to you with like trumpets and like splitting the clouds with lightning bolts. It's not like that. It's very subtle. And it's also, we're having to do with, you know, listen to the physical things that are happening around you. You get in your car and a certain song plays and the lyrics just hit home. Your friend tells you just what you need to hear at just the right time. Spirit works through the physical more than you realize. So pay attention to what's being repeated in your life. What does Spirit keep putting in your path? Because this is something that you need to pay attention to because that's how your spirit guides are talking to you. Perhaps this video is sign number 1. So let me know if this resonates. And also, if you like this sweatshirt, it's in the TikTok shop. I'll see you next time.